Lights. Yeah. Can I get a hand clap, Yeah. When the night falls, I'm trying to see what you and me like. Does it seem like I'm trying to hit it like I mean right? Don't sweat in a sec, take a beat right there. They calling you trashy cause we're doing the nasty. And we seeing they mad because we're young and don't care. We coasting from the condo, you can see the ocean. We ghosting, blowing smoke, sipping potion. Toasting, bitch, this, yeah. And nobody can tell me different. Dreams getting close, best friends getting distant. Down and still tripping cause I won't ever listen. But we're young tech spitting, but the whole world listen, listen, listen. I'm killing. Your bitch overdose on the flow, I'm dealing. Your bitch on the flow like a stove, you grilling. Not sitting, just living, I'm chilling, I'm gone.
Like, what did you expect? I be leaning tech, we the hottest do it, and you know I do it, no doubt about it. Keep to myself, small circle surrounds me. Life's too short, we still young. Relationship, nope, I'm tryna have fun. You got a new dude, I been had one. I terrorized, bro, been lad done. We chillin' with who knows who, acting like I do, but I don't even know you. Paint big opinions, I already told you. Meanwhile, when I'm home, I might phone you. Not too busy kicking it, say you're at the top, but I'm at the tip of it. Man, just chill a bit. Late nights chillin' and cruising, ain't tripping off nothing. I'm mellow, doing what I want, half white, half rebel. One deep, I don't need several. As of now, life don't get no better. What's wrong? Seriously though, reppin' FL, oh yeah, Tim Tebow. Late night, stolen night, straight Devo. I won't fall, but can't stand these people. Man, hand these people just cause I can. And I don't know them, but they know who I am. And I don't really care about knowing but the fan. But you know what I'm saying, so I don't have to say it twice. Can't forget none of these late nights doing what I shouldn't, but it's something that I make right. My life's great, like you say it's not fair. But like Tech said, we young and don't care. Yeah.